Here is how to Instapack the inside of a case, ready for shipping. So first of all, take out the thumb screws, or sometimes need a screwdriver for those. Take the side panel off the case. Put that to one side where you're not going to kick it. Turn the machine on its side. Okay. Get yourselves one of these Instapacks. Open up the bag. Unfold it. And then just on a flat surface, you want to pop this bubble. There's two bubbles here. This one here is the mixing bubble. So you pop that one, just like you're giving it CPR. Just give it a pop, and that pops the liquid into B. You don't need to pop B, just mix the two together. There's two liquids, and it causes a chemical reaction. Just give them a bit of a pat, around about 20 times. And you can feel it start to get warm and expand, and then pop. You might just want to smooth it out a little bit. This is where you need to be quick. Put it in the case, try and surround the core components, and put the case side back on. Just hold it in place whilst this forms and sets. And then you can screw in the side panel again. Ready for shipping.